Hello, and welcome to NetSuite short video that covers an executive overview tailored towards a CFO and a controller. As a CFO, I might not be logging into the system on a day in and day out basis. With NetSuite, there are alternative ways end users can consume information. As a CFO, I'm going to want real-time push notifications to review specific reports. Here, right directly from my Outlook, I have a budget versus actual report. As our fiscal quarter is coming to a close, we're reviewing budgetary figures for next quarter. I can quickly take a pulse on my budget versus actual report that's been emailed out to me to determine if I need to reforecast any budgetary figures or postpone a marketing campaign to the next fiscal year. I also have the ability to send push notifications with inline HTML so the report's directly embedded in my email, whether that be an AR aging summary or an AP aging summary. Any report I can go ahead and push out to an end user and have them preview it directly in their email. And the last thing I want to highlight is the ability to manage exceptions. I can set up alerts to notify me when I need to take action. Directly from this email notification, I'm able to approve or reject this vendor bill that is awaiting my approval. And as a CFO, I'm constantly on the go. I might be meeting up with clients on the golf course, but quickly want to take a pulse on my business. With NetSuite's mobile application, I can quickly view anything that's pending my approval, take a look at my reminders to help me proactively manage any of those exceptions, as well as view a full list of my key performance indicators. Again, these metrics are specific and tailored to your organization's needs. Now let's go ahead and pop into the actual desktop application. This is a role-based application, so all my information front and center on my dashboard is tailored to a controller. And as you can see, the system is set up to be very intuitive to navigate. So if I wanted to go ahead and run a report, I can come down into my financials and quickly execute any of those reports. I also have dashboard tiles that act as hot buttons with one click to execute, generating any report or action in the system. So directly from here, I can go ahead and run my income statement. Again, it's about an intuitive user interface to make navigation quick and easy to access information right at your fingertips. NetSuite's data model was built on a unified platform to allow us to slice and dice this information by a variety of dimensions or attributes of your business. If you have multiple entities, you can go ahead and throw this out by each specific subsidiary or entity and refresh this information. Everything's updated in real time, and I can see exactly how I am trending from one entity to the next. Maybe I want to go ahead and look at this by another dimension. We have class here or revenue type. With one click, all this information is updated in real time, so I can see where am I most profitable in terms of the specific class or revenue type. And lastly, maybe I want to take this and throw this out by accounting period to analyze any trends across our P&L on a month-to-month basis. And of course, with any report in NetSuite, I can go ahead and export this information out into Excel, PDF, or set a schedule frequency to push the information out to an end user. Thanks again for joining a quick high-level overview of the day in the life of a CFO and controller within NetSuite.